Is the Chatgpt, okay? TOMMARR tomorrow my FINANCE financial ACCO DNA accounting SCCND second SCME SCMEST second exam in second semester BCE exam in NEP Nepal. How can I pass that exam? Bank regulation, master of the basic golden rules of the accounting, financial accounting, final account trading, profit and loss, balance sheet, journal entry and ledger posting, trial balance, bank regulation statement, depreciation, liquidity, golden rules of accounting, debit credit rules for personal, real and normal account, basic equation assist is equal to liabilities plus equity. Now, problem solving, preparing a um, IDNT can I have I have zero key and LED knowledge AV lot of finance SCCOUNTIN accounting golden rules for the accounting personal account debit the receiver credit the giver credit भनेको दिने मान्छे डेबिट भनेको लिने मान्छे रियल account debit what comes in and what comes out and nominal account uh, the nominal account debit all expenses and the losses credit all income and the gain basic equation assets is equal to liabilities plus owner equity focus on practical problems journal entry paid rent in cash rent account debit to cash account trial balance write out down all the debit and credit to check if they match final account loan from the format of trading account profit and loss balance sheet bank reconciliation instrument understand how to reconcile the bank passbook with the cash book memorize the key format final account know the formula of trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet if you don't understand the adjustment fully filling what you can get on the partial marks. Journal entry for depreciation, rent, and salary. Prepare a trial balance for a single symbol profit and loss account. Exam strategy. Attempt each equation at first. First journal entry for numerical problem. Write the format. What you can solve completely. Partial marks can save you. Wow. Stay calm. Get 6 to 7 hours of sleep. Now, yes, TART from easy QUESTION question for FINANCIALSCCUNTIN something. Golden rules of accounting, three type of account. There are personal account, rule debitor, uh, debitor, the receiver, creditor, the giver. Example, paid cash to Ram, entry Ram account, debit to cash account. Ram account rule, personal account for debitor is the receiver, creditor is the giver. Example, paid cash to Ram, entry Ram account DR to cash account AC. Real account rule debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Example bought furniture in cash entry furniture account debit to cash account nominal account Debit all expenses in the losses, credit all income in the gain. Example, receive interest on saving cash account debit to interest income account. Simple journal entry. A journal entry record business transaction, paid rent in cash, rent account debit to cash account AC, received cash from the sales, cash account AC to sales account AC, paid salary to the employee, salary account DR to cash account AC, trial balance easy. The trial balance ensures the total debit equals to the total credit cash 1,000, then credit 0, then sale 5,000, rent 2,000. Then it this one and this one becomes 12,000 here. Debit means what money goes out, and credit means what money comes in here. Sales means that the person has sold a good here. Then capital means the total investment here. Credit, then rent goes out. Cash also, he has paid cash to someone, so total debit equals to 12,000 and total credit equals to 12,000 same. Then the simple financial statement: opening stock 5,000, purchase 20,000, gross profit 50,000. Then next one is sales 40,000. And here the net will be around profit and loss account: salary 10,000, net profit 5,000, total 10,000 and 15,000. A profit and loss account, bank reconciliation statement, BRS, check deposit but not cleared 5,000, a bank charges 2,000, a net bank balance 4,800. Then question for the practices: rent account AC, ramps account AC, furniture. Write down the journal entry for the following transaction: paid 1,000 as a salary, goods sold for 5,000 in cash, cash 8,000, sales 20,000, rent 5,000. Prepare a basic trading account with opening stock, purchase, sales, etc. Solve this in Nepali. Okay. Now, rent account, nominal account, because rent account is an expenses. Rent account is an expenses. Rams account, personal account, because it related to the person. Then furniture account, real account, because it represents physical assets. Then move towards below journal entry: paid salary of 10,000. Here the salary account, debit to cash account 1,000. Good sold good for NPR 5,000 in cash entry. Cash account debit 5,000 to sales account 5,000. Sold good to cash NPR 5,000. Journal entry: paid salary NPR 1,000. Salary account debit to cash account. Then the sold good for 5,000. Cash account uh, debit to cash account credit. Then prepare a trial balance given cash 10,000, sales 20,000, and rent is 5,000. Cash account on 10,000, rent is also expenses. Then sales is on credit. Then the year will be the net profit. Debit is around 15,000 and credit is around 20,000. You have heard about it. Now prepare a basic trading account: opening stock of 5,000, purchase of NPR 50,000, and sales is 25,000. Your opening stock on it will be on debit, purchasing also debit, then sales will be on credit. Then uh, here above that 5,000 was profit here. So credit 20,000 minus 5,000 here. 5,000 came. Then you always write the proper heading in the Journal entry, trial balance, show the format clearly even when you are unsure about the amount. For numerical, focus on solving what you understand. Make me more curious. PIO equation in ANSW answer for PRATIC practice. Journal entry started business with 50,000 in cash, bought furniture 5,000 on credit, paid rent on 2,000 by cash, then received 10,000 from RAM for service provided, paid 3,000 as electricity expenses. Now, this one will be on debit side, these expenses also received 10,000 from now this one will be on credit, okay. Now paid rent of RS 2,000 on cash, this one will be on debit. Now bought furniture and this one only on now let's see. A journal entry started business with cash. Now here started business with cash account debit to um, cash account debit to their 50,000 to capital account AC 50,000. Bought furniture for RS 5,000 on credit furniture account debit to creditors account AC. Creditors account we have to make it on creditor account. Paid rent 2,000 rent account debit to cash account 2,000. Then received 10,000 from RAM for service provided cash account debit. Then to service revenue account 10,000, paid 3,000 as electricity expenses. Electricity expenses account debit to 3,000 to cash account 3,000. Now trial balance question cash 20,000, furniture 10,000, capital 50,000, sales 30,000, rent expenses 5,000. Here cash also is on debit. Then furniture 10,000, rent expenses 5,000. Here total capital is 50,000 and sales is 30,000. Now the net profit will be around this one will be around 45,000 I think, or 45,000 will be added here. Now identify the account type, bank account, sales revenue, building, interest paid, debitor. Answer bank account is real account, sales revenue is nominal account, building account is a real account, interest paid is nominal account, debitors is personal account. Now sales 40,000, cost of goods sold 20,000. Now rent expenses 5,000, salary 10,000. Here we have to see that the gross profit was 40,000, then net profit 5,000. COGS cost of goods sold 20,000, rent expenses 5,000, salary also 10,000. Now the bank reconciliation statement, prepare a bank reconciliation statement using following bank balance as per cash book 50,000, check issue but not present is 10,000, bank charge 500, check deposit but not clear 5,000. Bank balance as per cash book 50,000, check issue but not presented 10,000, then bank charges 50,000, then check deposit but not cleared 5,000. Now, bank balance as per cash book 50,000, 10,000 minus 500 minus 5,000, 54,500. Now, purchase good on cash 7,000, paid 1,500 for transportation charge, owner withdraw NPR 2,000 for personal use, received NPR 10,000 as a commission income, sold good to Sam on credit for NPR 5,000. Now solve, we have to see this. Yes, we solve number 6. Purchase account AC to debit 7,000, to cash account AC 7,000 also. Now paid NPR 1,500 for transportation charge, transportation expenses account DR 1,500, to cash account AC 1,500. Owner withdraw Rs 2000 for personal use. Drawing ACDR 2000 to cash account ACE 20,000. Received NPR 8,000 as a commission income. Cash account ACDR 8,000 to commission income AC 8,000. Cost to sold good to Sam on credit for NPR 5,000. Sam's account ACDR 5,000 to sales account AC 5,000. These entries are written in the following golden rules of accounting. Personal account rule, debitor and receiver, creditor, the giver, real account, debitor, what comes in and what goes out, nominal account, debt, all the expenses. Now, I'll search here also. Financial. Now, I think Perplexity AI, this one will be. Now, make a numerical question. to read some uh, theory question. Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and reporting the financial transaction to provide the useful information to the external users such as investor, creditors, and regulator. What do you mean by the trial balance? A trial balance is the statement that list all the balance of the general ledger account at the specific point in a time, ensuring that the total debit is equals to the total credit. What do you mean by the double entry system? The double entry system is an accounting method where every transaction affects at least two accounts with one account debit and another account credit, maintaining the accounting cohesion. What are the fixed assets and the current assets? Fixed assets are the long-term resources like land and building, while the current assets are the short-term resources such as cash and account receivable. What is ratio analysis? Ratio analysis involves the evaluating the relationship between the financial statement items to assess a company performance in the area like profitability, liquidity, and solvency. This define a role of financial manager. A financial manager responsibility include estimating the capital requirement, selecting the resources of the fund, managing the investment, overseeing the cash management, and planning the capital structure. What is the fund follow statement? The fund follow statement analyzes the changes in the company financial position between the two balance sheet by detailing the source of application and of the fund over concerned with changes in working capital between the two balance sheets, changes in the cash position, purpose, analyze the reason for changes in financial position, analyze the reason for changes in cash balance. What is the main objective of accounting? The main objective of the accounting is to providing a financial information for decision making, ensuring the compliance with the law and regulation, facilitating the effective management of the resources. Explain the matching concept in the accounting. The matching concept states that the expenses should be recorded in the same period as the revenue. They helps to generate the ensuring the accurate profit measurement. Now the numerical question, journal entry. A company has purchased equipment for 2000 in cash. Record a journal entry. Account titles, equipment cash, account debit to credit. Next one, now preparing a trial balance, cash account 1000, account receivable 3000, inventory 2000, account payable 1500, capital 85,000, account title debit and credit, here cash 5000. Now account receivable also 5000, inventory 2000, account payable 15,000, 1500, and capital 8500. Both of them are equal, debit and credit also. Calculation of depreciation. A company purchases the machinery at the 5,000, then useful life of 5 year and the salvage value of 5,000. Calculate the annual depreciation using the straight line method. Cost minus salvage value by useful life. Here is 5,000 minus 500, 45,000 by 5, 9. Here, profit calculation. ABC company at the sales of uh, one $100,000. Cost of goods sold COGS is 60,000. Calculate the gross profit cost. Sales minus cost of goods sold 10,000 and 100,000 minus 60,000. Now the cash flow calculation. Company received from customer 20,000. Cash paid for the expenses 12,000. Cash paid for the equipment 5,000. Now the net cash flow. Cash inflow minus cash outflow 20,000 minus 12,000 plus 5,000. So the net cash flow is 3,000. Cash inflow. Now the calculation ratio of company has the total assist of 200,000 and liabilities of 120,000. Calculate the debt to equity ratio. To calculate the debt to equity, equity equals to total equity minus total liability, net equity. Now total liabilities by total equity is a debt to equity ratio. More. Now Make more question. Question. I think studying from ChatGPT and this source is very useful. Here also same. It has given from net. Great. Now, mm, yeah, that question. Account for bad debt. I think it will help me to pass the exam. Okay, great with zero preparation.